Good morning. A follow before even started? Re-Spirit? How's it going? Good morning. Ooh. Thank you for the follow. I'm just getting started here, so give me a second. Oof. I was sick all weekend, so please excuse my awful sounding voice. I'm just doing my best to get back into the groove, you know? You can't stop. You gotta keep going, even though, even if you're sick, you gotta do like one little thing. Mythical Mish. Good morning. It's been a while since I last checked in. The game's looking great so far. Thanks for checking in on me. I really need to be checked in on. Mine, oh my god. Moon is. Good morning. Yeah. Welcome. Usually I don't have viewers this early. Usually it takes a few minutes and I have a moment of zen by myself, but you guys are just attacking me. Real first, yeah. Oh, of course. You're not first unless you hit the redeem. Computer. Good morning. Yes, I guess I do appreciate the onslaught. So thank you. I'm working on something. I started something last night as a test, and I'm like, you know what? This is gonna be perfect to work on stream because it's a little mindless, and like you can't mess it up. I'm making a window so I can change all of my NPC's stats in one giant window. Todd Makes, good morning. How are you? Welcome back. Oh man. Any fun friends are here. Where'd the window go? NPC manager. So now I can look at all my guests and all of their stats in one giant table view. So if I need to quickly, I don't know, update or see what someone's favorite activity is, or like, it's, I don't know, just a top-down view. It's good to see things like this. Because I started making an Excel spreadsheet. I'm like, well, I don't want to make an importer exporter. I'd rather just recreate Excel. What was that? This book's falling off my bookshelf. Kaliga, we got you. We got you today. Oh, stream message. Boom. Guys, this music is created by that guy. That guy. Go check him out. Good afternoon. Yeah, so I needed this top-down view. Bit Gamey, good morning, good morning. How are you? I think, so I'm on, I don't know what happened, but I'm on Twitch all day now. Start watching Twitch and streaming Twitch has turned me into, watching one person on Twitch and then starting to stream just made me watch everybody now. I literally am on Twitch all day long. And BitGamey, I think I run into you the most in all the channels. Like, because, I mean, I guess it's the same circle of people. Yeah, it's a total disease. Sometimes I'm like sitting there, I'm like working and I hear someone's voice, and I'm always kind of working while watching, and sometimes I'll just get like fatigued from it. I just have to like close it. Like, no, I need silence. Everybody stop talking. I'm a bot. You're definitely not a bot. Well, good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Let's see. Yeah, so I needed a better way to look at my NPCs and just see what their deal is from top down. And this is the best way for me to do it. And raise your hand if you're an expert in Odin Inspector, because we're doing some Odin Inspector. I need to know if there's a way. So this is a reference to a scriptable object, but what I want to display is the icon of that scriptable object. I want to display a parameter of that scriptable object. Is that possible? Do you know if that's possible? Raise your hands. Never used it. You gotta use it. Oh, you gotta. Like, I made this window in, I don't know, 20 minutes. It is possible? Oh, yes. Please drop those links. First of all, oh my god. So I'd give everyone shout out. This happens. I'd give everyone shout outs, but you're all amazing streamers. So please, everyone follow BitGamey. Everyone follow Muniz. Everyone follow Nurkmind. Who am I missing? Todd Makes. Are you a streamer? I don't even know. Good vibes. What is up? Good morning. Or good afternoon. I don't know where you live. Once in a while? Alright, so everyone go follow Todd Makes as well. No. Chill. BitGamey, chill. What kind of image do you want to display? A texture? It's a texture 2D or a sprite. So that the activity icon, it's one of these. And I just have, an icon, I just have one of these little sprite. Corey, good morning. Another streamer. Go follow Corey. This chat's ridiculous. Any more Japan news? Sort of. I think I finally sold my apartment, which now I can like move on mentally. And I finally now I have an Airbnb for my remaining time in LA, and then everything else is going according to plan. Can I post a link in chat? You know, it's true because I thought I sold it last month, but someone backed out. Like you go through this process called escrow, and then it's like you think it's a done deal, and then they go, actually, I don't want to. Okay. So now we're in this process again, but I don't know. Anything can happen. Preview field attribute. Let me check it out. Odin Spectre preview fields. Excuse me. Listen, everyone who's here. I'm so sorry. I'm sick. I was so sick all weekend. And I'm gonna be a mess. I'm gonna sound like a mess. I'll try and mute myself every time I make a gross noise, but I might miss it. You might have to load the image from its project location. Oh, that's lame. Oh wait, you sent it to me. This guy. Okay, let's see. So, preview field. Oh, I see. So, this is the project location? No, that's vertical group preview field. Usable blinking 9. Thank you for the follow. Good morning. Today's the day I'm getting into credits. Oh, hells yeah. I really should make it cheaper. And I need to add a redeem that's, I want to play the alpha. And I see some people that charge a lot. I don't want to charge a lot. You want to play? You can play. Just want to be like 10 bits. I'll make it 100 bits. Let's do it right now. Add new custom report. All right, we're gonna call it. We're gonna 500. 500. Add me to the alpha. It's gonna be really easy to get. Done. All right. So now you don't have to worry about buying two things. Okay, so let's see. Preview field. But what does it show? I guess if it's an object, it shows it's like the kind of thing it is, right? Yeah. Let's just pop it on. Let's see what happens. Maybe I can encode, just make these icons, these icons. You think that's possible? If you look in the create data method, that's where it sets the texture. Oh, did I miss something? Create data? Is that in here? Oh, here. Create data. Oh, so it's getting the texture. Wait. Example helper. What's that? I see. Okay, I don't quite see. Wait, what are these? Like, where is D and E and I referenced? Are those up here? Oh, wait, public string. So is create data a built-in thing? Oh, on inspector. All right, this is going to be a thing. You set preview field attribute on an object variable. Then you set the object variable to your texture. So it has to be an object type? Is that the thing? It can't be like a different type? That's kind of annoying. I mean, I could have getters that just get it properly. Yeah. This might not be good. I'm gonna table this for a sec. This is basically where this script comes from. It's an object in Odin Inspector that very easily shows classes. Let me try something. It's not the end of the world. I could, it could be a texture 2D. You see a link? All right, let me just throw one on here. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna need a lot of hydration today. I didn't even think that my voice would go out so fast. Fuck. The table list example you looked at had icons. Yeah, but those are textures, so it's easy. It knows how to show the texture. Okay, so if I just do preview field, it shows this, which it's just the icon of the scriptable object. But okay, and you can only change this little icon if it's of like a type. You can't do it per each individual scriptable icon. That'd be funny. I want a custom icon for every individual item in my game. That'd be psychotic. All right, so you know what? I'm just gonna go back and it'll just be the names, it's fine. It'll just be the names. What I did want to do is make these favorite. Okay, so this I don't like. I have a category. I have favorite activity, favorite hotspot, and then favorite consumable. And then I can have up to 3 things. And I don't know why I have 3 things. Did I put a comment here? Favorite consume. Oh, okay. The first one is a drink. The second one is a snack. And the third one's a meal. So what I could... Let's make that better. Let's do that better. So instead of just having an array here, I should do favorite drink. Favorite snack. Favorite meal. And then here, so it's just gotta be 0. In your scriptable object, if you add preview field to your icons, does it show the icon? Yeah. Yeah. So here, preview field on the sprite object, you know, with some flags. So it does that. Oh, for the activity. Yeah, if I could do that. The activity types, they're not that, like, I don't need to, like, see them that well, or I just didn't set up Odin Inspector in them. Yeah, but I could, because that's, yeah, it's just a sprite object. Excuse me, I almost bombarded you guys. Man, everyone's a busy bee today. Or not today, these past few weeks. I've noticed after the new year, everyone's been streaming, I don't know, much more regularly. Or maybe I just follow more people now, but my little left bar is just, I have to hit show more to see everyone. That never used to be. I'm really proud of everyone. Seeing Seeing the work get done. Oh wait, actually I want to keep that. Okay, that should be it. Okay, but yeah, this is so ugly. So ugly. Should I inline it so it's all one thing? No, I want to see it in a row. Oh, I really want to see those damn icons. Tuna! Someone else was first, I know. Yeah. One of the Michaels. Got many Michaels in here. Yeah, one of the Michaels was first. How you doing? Add me to the alpha! He's in. He's in the alpha. I make a new note. Alpha testers. J Fox, Tyson, Michael. Yeah, oh yeah, Michael J Fox is in here. We're buddies. You could be J. Fox. Don't click that, guys. Don't click that link. Don't trust that link. J. Fox. All right. Okay. I don't love it, and it's really making me sad that I can't see I won't be able to see the icons. Maybe there's a way. Let's explore a little more. Let's get that preview back. Let's put it back, and then see if we can noodle it to get it. Ooh, what if we go to the Odin Discord and see if it's possible? Should I do that? I'm gonna go to the Odin Discord. Is it here? Where is it? I know I'm in it. Here it is. Odin, help. I gotta make sure. Okay, no one said anything in like an hour and a half, so. I don't like to butt in when someone has already asked questions, so I like to wait until coast is clear. Oh, you wonder if ChatGPT can help since Odin's been out for a while? Good question. We'll try. Let's drop the question in Odin and then just see who gets it first, ChatGPT or the Discord channel. What is it called? A table view? Forget. Table list. All right. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Okay. Let's copy and paste the same exact message that I said in the Discord. Boom. I'll even keep the hey there. Hey there. First of all, it knew that I was using Unity, which is, I guess, it's not that. Stop. Just stop it. Just stop it. I'm using Odin Inspector. Using Odin Inspector. Preview field hide label. So, okay. The attribute is a scriptable object with a sprite attribute. Inside of it. Is it gonna understand it? I'm not explaining it well. Attribute data. Oh god, forget it. I don't even know how to explain it. Sometimes I'm actually not good at talking to AI. Hide, excuse me. Hide label removes the top fold out, which is quite nice. I use it a lot to flatten the hierarchy. What top fold out? I'm not sure I know. Well, you know what I'd love? I'd love a way to select these cells and change these. Usable blinking. Hello, sorry for bothering you. I want to offer promotion of your channel viewers, followers. No, thank you. I appreciate the offer, though. What do you mean I want to... What do you mean ban and report? I'm going to pin this. This is great. If anyone needs followers, this is the guy. It's a gold mine. A gold mine. Use inline editor to show the scriptable objects in editors. In editors? Oh! That's dope. Oh, should I just do that? Should I just do that? Can you think that'll work in here in a table list? Because then I can... Oh my god, you're right. Did you just solve it? Oh, and I like the music change with the realization. Sick. Okay. Let's try it. Favorite activity, inline editor, and then... Oh my god, I'm so glad you're here. Odin Inspector proficiency. That was what was needed. And then, yeah, and then we need to adjust this dude. Ooh, excuse me. All right, I need to... that's the thing. I guess I don't want this to show up, though. Like, I don't want that stuff. Whatever. It's not a lot. If you ever decide to have a mod, you know where to find me? Oh my god, BitGamey. You mod too many channels. You're too generous with your time. Too generous. Is that gonna do it? If I needed to hire a freelancer? I mean, I wish I had the money to hire people. Oh. So that didn't do anything. Do I have any errors? No, I don't have any errors. Do I need to make something like serializable or something? Let's see. Inline editor. Inline editor. No, it's there. The activity field has scriptable object set holdouts. Oh, did I miss it? Am I blind? Oh, you're right. So they have this. Okay. So, okay. That's cool. But can I... So, hide label. Removes the fold out. Oh my god, we're making progress. Progress. NPC manager. Okay. Alright. So if it's none, it's none, duh. That's why it doesn't show up. Did I save? I save. Favorite activity. It also needs to be bigger. Does it actually? Not really. Still shows it. Did I do the right thing? Favorite activity. Hide label. Did I do it first? It doesn't matter the order of these things, right? No. Yeah. Let's see. Hide layout. I thought it would hide like, so like these ints, you know. I thought it would hide these labels, that hide label tag. Let's see if the Discord anyone got back to me. Oh, no. No. That's sad. New fold-out mode. Oh, fold-out modes. Maybe fold-out mode. Inline editor. Object fields. Mode hidden. Main camera. Maybe it's this. It's probably that, right? Full editor. GUI and header. Oh, there's all these cool different modes. Maybe one of these modes is like the one I want. Maybe it'll only show the first thing and I just make sure to make the icon the first thing. That would be nice. Let's just look at all these inline editor modes, shall we? Right. What are we doing? So, small preview. Let's see. What are all of our options? Maybe one sounds good. GUI and header. Okay. Oh, they have descriptions. That's nice. Draws the editor GUI and the editor header. Wait, where's the hidden one? Wasn't there a hidden one? What happened? Where'd they all go? Editor modes. Inline editor object field modes. Oh. Inline editor object field modes. Grumble of pugs. I said it right. Good morning. How are you? Oh man. I think I made thingies for everybody. Let's start with a little bit gamey. We got bit gamey. Oh, but it didn't do the thing. Why didn't it highlight? Oh, I'm such a noob. I'm just gonna shout out bit gamey. Yes. But welcome in, pugs. Another great streamer that I'm sure you all already know, because you all know each other. Same incestuous group of streamers. I love it. I really do. Okay, inline. Editor. Object field modes? Oh, there's so many modes. Boxed, fold out, hidden. Completely hidden? Let's try these. Yeah, you do. How's everyone doing? Tuesday morning. It's early. I'm feeling feverish. I feel great though. I feel so good. All right. That's a start. It's not bad. The only problem is so now these items, scriptable objects, like I have 100 attributes in the item scriptable object, so that's not gonna work. But this is dope. Like the inline editor, I really wish I knew this sooner because I would have made these. I would have made these so much sooner. All right. So this is cool for activity type. I could probably even do it for hotspots. The hotspot's a little big. Let's try it for hotspots and see if it's gonna work. Hotspots. I love how I say these words like, oh, you guys know what a hotspot is. Nobody knows what a freaking hotspot is. Only I know what a freaking hotspot is. So I need I don't need this. I'm setting the label with, and then I'm hiding the label. Idiot. But what I do want is this column size. I do need to set it to be a little standard. Alright, and I do, actually, I'm going to try out all the different fields. Maybe there's a better one. Maybe there's a better one. Grumble, the game you're working on looks freaking dope. I'm glad I finally got to check it out. I had no idea. Did I do it? Yeah, I did make a thing for you. Grumble. Mega Bat. I know Nurkmine's in here. What tag did I give him? I don't remember. How am I supposed to remember? The full name. Oh, but I don't have a link and these things don't work. That's so stupid. I really thought that would work. Just click on the name, please, and I'll fix it later. Please. And Moonis. Go check out Moonis. How'd we do? Is it better? Man, I really appreciate all the help. Oh no, that's horrible. I can't keep that. Oh, and 100 pixels is definitely not enough. That is not enough pixels. Alright. Yeah, there's got to be a better way. Normally you use... Oh, yes, someone got back to me on the Discord. They said to do exactly what you're saying, but there you can add a hide inline editors. So I can add the hide inline editors to every field except the icon, which sucks because I have so many. I'd rather auto hide all of them and just have a show in an inline editor. But that's great. This is going to be possible. It's going to be possible to, with little effort, get exactly what we want. And that's what I like to hear. Oh, this is one of my favorite songs from the remake. So what do we want to do? We want to go here. We want to do this. Hide. Hide. We want to go back. Make this bigger, much bigger. 250, and let's actually get rid of this one for now. Excuse me. Make the exact opposite of a cozy game, a stressful precision platformer. So I can only make this or not assumption, but this claim from. Wait, why is my laptop dying? Uh-oh. I can only make this claim because of based on playing Celeste. It's the only precision platform I've ever played. But the fact that it's when you die and you lose progress, you're only losing like maybe 4 or 5 seconds of progress because the rooms are so short. I find that cozy. Like, yeah, it's hard, but it's super satisfying, and you don't. The barrier to death, or not the barrier, the punishment for death. Excuse me. Oh, I forgot to mute. The punishment for death is so low that it's a cozy experience. Like, there's no... You could just jump off the cliff 1,000 times, it's fine. So, precision platformers like yours, I don't know if yours... I'm assuming you respawn at the beginning of the room. It's just an assumption, but I would actually consider that a cozier than not experience. Use inline editor property name could... Ooh, really? No. Get the funk out of here. Get the funk out of here. Is that true? What's the property name? I don't even know. M-icon. Get out of here. If this works, then that's... I mean, I'm sure there's more to it. Let's see. This is probably a flag, right? Or did you just make that up? That's what GPT told you? GPT? Inline editor. Oh, yeah, it's probably, ChatGPT don't know shit. Okay, is there documentation? Oh, the modes. More documentation. Fold-out modes. The modes. GUI and preview. So, yeah, none of these, like, accept a thing. ChatGPT is making shit up. Alright, so we want hidden, and then we want to go here. We hide. Wait, did it? It's done already. Is that everything? Should I just go look? I love calling it GPT. GPT. Kind of like it too. And I don't know why I can't not say it like that. GPT. Oh, sick. Sick. It's everything I've ever wanted. It's everything I ever wanted. But you know what? I want this label to be the name of the name of the scriptable object too. Because I don't remember what these are based on the icons. I mean, obviously it's fishing, but next step. It's freaking cool though. I mean, I could probably just have a string label and do a horizontal line. Or maybe there's a label tag. Well, actually, this is weird. I have hide label, but it's showing... Oh, it's showing like that label. So maybe I don't hide label, and then label text is... string icon color. Maybe I can do something funky here. Probably get the data of... Oh, hide label in that on that one, yeah. So how do I get that label? How do I... Yeah, I'll just add a string. No, wait. Yeah, how do I add a string? I guess I can add a read-only string that updates constantly? That sounds stupid. But this is perfect. I gotta thank this guy. He saved my life. Shout out to Schwapo. Label text member string? Tuna. Oh my god. How are you guys finding these so fast? I don't have the ability to Google or ChatGPT right now. Oh god, which one of you is right? Which one of you is right? Tuna, if you're wrong and Muniz is right, I think I'm gonna have to take you out of the credits. Depends on where you want to fetch it from. So you're both right? Okay. Alright, if you're both right, you're both right. Let's start with the shorter one. Ban me! Let's start with the shorter one. Member string. Odin Inspector is incredible. If you don't own Odin Inspector, you gotta go get it. Like, never underestimate the power of a custom window that lets you work faster and smart. That's fantastic. Wait. Member, did I do that right? Let's try this one. Let's try the other one. Property, it's just name, right? And if it's null, it'll probably show that error, which is annoying. Oh, it shows an even bigger error. But then here it shows nothing, because like... Why? At executes an expression. Right. So if this is null, it's just gonna freak the funk out. Oh. So favorite activity. So do that, right? Right, I just copied your text and that was stupid, right? Okay. Favorite activity not name on the type NPC display. Why? Why not? You're a freaking liar. You god dang liar. Think it just might be name? Oh. Of the type NPC display. Yeah, but it's just showing name. Oh, and it's funny, I think this inline editor field mode dot hidden is maybe I don't want hidden. I want like draws the object field in a box. Hidden. The object field also when the object is null, which is good. Fold out draws the object field with fold out. I don't want that. Let's do completely hidden. I think I'm gonna have to add just a label or a string variable, like I do here. Oh my god, it hates it. So yeah, it's of the type NPC display. So wouldn't it be favorite activity dot name? Wouldn't it be that? Wait, didn't I just have that? Yeah, I did. I did. And it wasn't erroring before. It was only... Oh no, it was. Okay. On the type NPC display. Might be at. Oof. Anytime I alt tab, like speakers just pop. It's horrible. Why does that happen? Alright, we get the big errors, and then yeah. So it looks like it's working. Let me turn off completely hidden, and maybe it'll show up. Yeah, we'll do that. Let's see if we could just get it to work on. So now it's just activity type. Oh, now it just broke everything. Oh, because I'm an idiot. And it's actually showing, it was just activity type. Oh, actually, no. If I make it bigger, which I can't, guys, we're gonna do an inline. We're gonna do a. Okay. Public string favorite activity type name, and then it's going to be part of a vertical group called activity type table 250. And if this is null, we'll figure out how to do that later. But, oh, and then I want read only, right? I want read only. Okay. Whoops. Get up in there. Get up in there. Anyone have anyone have a fun weekend? The error is in read-only, I love it! Odin Inspector, you dog. Okay, looks like that's some shit. But that's awesome. The fact that this is updated now is great. And completely hidden is not what we want. We just want to go back to hidden. Completely hidden. No bueno. I gotta keep an eye out, make sure that the next playlist we have permission to listen to. So this one's almost up. Okay. Wait, so now adding... it doesn't like being in a vertical group. The inline editor does not like being in a vertical group. Now, is it possible that width is not enough and it's just being cropped? You think so? I don't know. Let's make it resizable. Oh wait, why do I have this table column width? I'm already setting this here. At if is null, none. Thank you. Oh my god, Tuna, you're the best. You have no idea if ternaries work? Let's just copy and paste exactly what you have. Oh, it doesn't like that. Would that work? Or do I have to break them? I forget. That's like a Python thing. In C# you need to like break, or not break, I don't, some kind of slash. Oh, it doesn't like it anywhere. Favorite activity, so it has it. Why won't it like show up though? Let's actually not even do a mode. Let's just do regular and see if that works. And then we'll work from there. And then let's set this back to what it was. We'll just get the regular error. Wouldn't be null, it'd be... Oh, yeah. Let's do it. Let's put it back then. You're right. Maybe I should read. I'm just blindly following you because I don't have the brain capacity to think for myself. But you guys are doing an incredible job thinking for me. Ah. Well, look at that. Right parentheses. Expected one of the following tokens. Right parentheses. Did I get rid of it? Definitely have one. Maybe it doesn't like that. I could just do that. And do I need to... So what is this code? Is it C# or is it something else? Stand by. Just triple quotes. I don't know what that is. What are those? How many quotes is that? Is that 17 quotes? Oh my god, you did it. Wait, it's confused. Why is it confused? It does not like it though. It's 4 quotes. Seth Dharma, good morning, good afternoon. Whichever. don't like it. Let me actually also just have this as a back. So I can test. I'm just gonna test. We're making editor scripts today. How fascinating. And by say we, I really mean we. We got Tuna and Moon is going crazy with the help. Where is the damn... So the icon is there, it's just too big. What the hell? You take up so much space. That's horrible. Get out of here, this is so much padding. How obnoxious. Maybe it's... Oh, it's the label width. That's what it is. Idiot. I want label width to be like 5. I don't care about the label. And then this can go back to hidden. Oh man, once we get it, it's gonna make life so much easier. Or will it? Am I just wasting my time? Do you think I'm just working on something like this to avoid working on the thing I need to work on? Oh my god. Am I horrible? I mean, that's better. This doesn't have a string value. Why no string value? Why no string value, bruh? It had one earlier. It had one before. Oh, label text is string value. I want the actual string to be. Wait. How do I make the string? Set value? Value. On value change. Ooh. Did we complete it? Yeah. Alright, what's next? Final Fantasy X or Final Fantasy VIII? Let's go with 10. Final Fantasy X. Not my favorite Final Fantasy to play, but as always, the music. Freaking incredible. Alright. Wait, I feel like this kind of worked at some point. Okay, so, excuse me, we'll make the label width here. 60. Or maybe let's not even set the label width. Just let it dynamically do it, whatever. Whatever you need, just take what you need. Oh, but it's inheriting the... no, it's not. It's just kind of dynamically making it. Alright, so that is working. We want to change the value. And here I change the value. So what am I doing there? All I gotta do is scroll up. No, that's not true. It's because I set it. I set the value. Manually. Here we go. And now I know exactly what to do. I know what to do. Hide label. And then here, I just freaking set the damn thing. And then I change it and I update it when I resync. Yeah, stupid. Sometimes I can't think. So favorite activity. Yeah, it's a favorite activity type name equals favorite activity. So if it's null, if fave activity is not null, then make it fave activity dot name. And you know what I'll even do? Is there a quick way to remove from a string? String dot remove, string dot truncate, string dot remove, trunk, substring. How about this? Wait, insert. Because every single activity type starts with the word activity type, and I don't care. Remove. Start index. I mean, sure. Start index 0. And then remove the next 10. I don't count. Let me count. It's a constant, so I don't. This isn't the worst way to do it. Oh, string replace. That's way better. Way better. You guys are the best. I love you guys. You're the best. Wait, oh, that's so stupid. So how do I... I can't... So if I select this, it's going to change the icon, not the... So I need to expose... I can't do hidden. I can't do hidden. That's so funny. Oh my god. It's so funny. Yeah, we're learning things today. Becoming an Odin Inspector experts. So... What if I just set the same exact thing? If I set the same exact thing, it'll kind of be like, well, it'll kind of be what I want. Excuse me. Or maybe instead of hidden, I want boxed. Oh, you want to know if you're an idiot? No, you can't say idiot, but I leave the auto mod on full blast because I need to. This is so much nicer without ads. Mike Lombardo, good freaking morning. You could have not had ads this whole time for free, but you just don't know how to use your Prime sub. But that's a whole nother story. You just wait for people to gift you subs. That's insane. And the fact that you've gotten 2 gifted subs and won't use your Prime sub is criminal. It's criminal. You need to gift these people your subs. And the only people to ever gift you a sub are people you've never met before. Generous Twitch community has gifted you subs. Everyone, stop gifting Mike Lombardo subs. Make him use his Prime sub or make him watch ads. Is it endearing when I ream Mike Lombardo, or is it off-putting? Please, should I make a poll? Because I hope everyone knows that I'm not serious. I just love reaming Mike Lombardo. Let's make a poll. I wish OBS can just make a poll. I don't like going into the stream manager. That's alright. We can just leave that as an unknown, and I'll just keep doing it, and who knows. Yeah, we all love Mike Lombardo. Mike Lombardo is loved here. I like to throw around the L word. Gotta get comfortable throwing around the L word. Alright, so what we were going to do, we were going to just make this an activity type and just set them both to the same exact thing every time. And this is just going to be the boxed version. Or does box actually expose that as well? I don't know, let's just... Oh wait, oh god. Maybe we just need to do this. I might set it back, I don't know. Excuse me. Oh my god. Forget your semicolons. Here, you drop this. That's so nice. That chat message is so nice with that emote. I feel like the prettiest girl at the brawl. You are. We still got so many nulls. Why we got nulls? Is it because we just haven't cleared in a while? Okay, so we don't need the second one. We just need to make it boxed, and it exposes this, And that's everything a girl could want. Yes, we don't need you anymore. Get out of here. Excuse me. Irish John Games. Oh my god. Irish John, FB, good morning. How are you both? Good afternoon, Irish John. One of the most generous people on Twitch. How you doing? First of all, I didn't do this last time, but I really meant to. Jarn. Guys, I know my stupid ats aren't linking properly because I'm a bad Twitcher, but click the frickin' Rise of Piracy steampowered.com link and wishlist it. Even though I'm 99% sure literally everyone in this chat has already wishlisted it, but if you haven't, please go do it. I tried to tell you what would happen if you just let anybody in. I know. I'm sorry. I should make you a mod. We're doing good here. We're doing good here. You're a grape twitcher. One of my favorites. Evby, you're a grape chatter. One of my favorites. So this is not a thing anymore. We got rid of you. Get the funk out of here. We don't need you anymore in our lives. John, we're making editor scripts. We're like making a custom editor so we can mass work on like hundreds of scriptable objects just in a very tight way, you know? Instead of working in Excel and importing, let's just remake Excel, right? We have Odin Inspector. Let's use Odin Inspector. Spent months in 2022 creating these. Yeah, so important. So my wife... Wait, why isn't it showing the icon here? Funk, why? It's only showing it in this one? Come on, guys. What the funk? Oh, it's because this is long enough. No, they're all the same size. Why is only that one showing? Damn it. We keep running into different problems. I guess I need a height. I need to explicitly set... Oh wait, we don't need this vertical group. Right? Yeah. That must be messing it up. But what we do want to do is set the column width to something normal. And then hide label. We want to hide the label. Hide your labels. Hide your wife. I hope you know what meme I was spouting. You don't think I'm crazy? Okay, great. So now we have... Oh, okay. Now we have this. So box is not what we want. God damn it. So why can't we have... Why can't we have it all? Can we just have it all, please? I want no twirly drop down or fold out. I want to change the favorite act. I want to change the scriptable object and see the icon. Come on, we're so close. We're so close. Wait, what did I miss? I got reamed when I got here. FB gets the red carpet rolled out. Yeah, you deserved it. Do grape twitchers make you want... Yes, they do. You probably did something to deserve it. He did. He did. Go, please scroll up and look what he did. Please. Love it. Yeah. Saw that. What happened? Please scroll up. I told him I like not having ads and he yelled at me. No. You're missing so much of it. The trick is to come in cozy. Yes, this is a cozy stream. Look what it's called. Cozy Game Dev. You gotta come in cozy. You can't come in hot with your murder in ideas. Oppenheimer in Excel, you crazy dog. Next project remake. Odin and... Oh, Mike Lombardo doesn't know what Odin Inspector is, so he's making the word association to Oppenheimer. And for some reason, yes, he does that. It's okay. I like his word associations. I think it shows it's an early sign of Alzheimer's, but it's also a great way to connect two ideas that don't actually have connection and form new ideas. That's how new ideas are formed. You take an idea and you randomly connect it to another idea by accident. Boom, new idea. So there's like a perfect balance of early Alzheimer's and creativity. And that is peak in Mike Lombardo. Peak. I used to play what I thought was extreme hide and seek with my wife until the restraint. What does that even mean? I feel like I need to delete that and then roll back the stream so I didn't say it out loud. Oh God. Surprise for Broco. What did you just clip? Observant amorphous clam budster. What is that? Should I click it? Unhinged. I'll look. What is the protocol? Do I click it and watch the clip, or do I just move on and let it be? Let's watch it later. Unhinged? No, I'm like a little sick, so, and brain dead. I'm literally letting chat code for me, and I'm just sitting back and copying and pasting, and we're getting the stuff done. Tuna and Muniz, holy crap. Did you just diagnose Mikey Boba with early onset Alzheimer's? He's hard enough to talk to now. God, imagine him 40 years. Okay, I need to make a poll. New poll. Question. Is it reaming Mike Lombardo endearing? Off-putting? Or... Okay. I need to know. Is it one of these? Mike knows I love him. You guys got to know I love him. I just love reaming him too. But what does it look like to the people that don't know our relationship? I need to know. Be honest. If it's off-putting, I need to know. I'll stop doing it. Okay. Immediately off-putting. Oh wait, Mike, did you put that? That's definitely Mike's vote. So if off-putting gets more than one vote, I'll know it's actually off-putting. If it only gets one vote, I know Mike did that. Did I miss something? Yeah, you missed me reaming Mike Lombardo, and in the way I normally do. And I need to know if it's off-putting or not. Watch the clip. Oh God. And so the only reason why I said Mike Lombardo has early onset Alzheimer's is because I'm basically yelling at myself. Like sometimes I'll just sit there looking for the word of something for like a solid minute, and it's like a very simple word. Like I can't even think of a word right now because I have problems. But it's a problem. It's basically just a reflection of myself. Anytime I ream out Mike Lombardo, I'm just reaming out myself of the traits I see in him that I don't like of myself. So, oh God, it's so real. We get real here. All right, we're gonna get this to work. Which one of these stupid modes do I want? I want hidden. Wait, wasn't there a different one? Field modes. I want boxed. Is there another inline? Can I add another one? Inline editor. Can I just straight up put a comma and add another one? Is that how this works? It doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it at all. Why is not safe for work banned? It should be very not banned. It is how you make things not safe, or make things safe. Alright, it's overwhelmingly not off-putting. Alright, I'm gonna try and stop. Seriously, I feel bad. Mike Lombardo, I love you. Alright, where did we leave off before that? Oh my God. I feel like I'm getting a fever. I didn't have a fever. Now I'm getting one. Unhinged engine. I'm getting too comfortable here. There's a thing. So I've noticed a thing with me. I'm pretty abrasive. I'm an abrasive personality, and I'm a little monotone, and I get spicy when you get to know me. So I have a cycle at work where the first like 6 months at a new job, and I've had, many new jobs. First 6 to 8 months at a new job, I'm pretty quiet, especially if I don't know anyone. I'm like, nice. I do my job, whatever. I'm friendly, talk. And then there becomes a point where I get too comfortable and I get too friendly with some people. And then that's when spicy Andrew comes out. And I'm like, I'm the one to like rib a lot, and probably in a way that's like, in New York it was fine because everyone had thick skin. But if you were like not from New York and you moved to New York, maybe I've had many people come up to me and be like, oh, I think I finally understand you. Like, you're not serious. It's sarcasm. I'm like, yeah, I've been treating you like shit for months, and now you realize this? Oh God. And then when I moved to LA, oh my God, I get it from everybody. Everybody looks at me like, oh, you have like this kind of sense of humor. I'm just like, oh man, everyone thinks I'm a piece of shit. Like, literally everyone here thinks I'm it until like I seep into their skin and they get it. But it's a me problem. Like, I shouldn't be treating people like that. So I'm sorry. And Mike gets the brunt. And now Twitch streaming. It's been 6 months. I've been streaming for my 6-month Twitch anniversary is coming up, and I think I'm getting too comfortable here. And I'm gonna have to start apologizing, because now you guys are all around the world, and the spiciness, it's gonna be off-putting to some. Maybe that's okay. Maybe that's okay. All right, enough of that rant. Self unhinged against myself. All right, so I just don't want this stupid fold out, and I want this up here. Just wait till Japan. Oh God. I hope... No, I'm gonna have to completely rewrite my entire personality to fit in. Yeah. Maybe she started every stream with a short sermon. You think it's alright? As long as you don't trauma dump? Oh, yeah. No, I did, yeah. No. Yeah, that's. I know that's off-putting. When you talk about your personal problems too much, I know that's off-putting. Dirty bear. Thank God I don't have too many personal problems. All of my personal problems are fun and just, life's challenges that I'm enjoying every step of the way. What am I gonna... Oh, the one thing... This isn't a personal problem yet. What the hell am I gonna do when my dog dies? What the hell am I supposed to do? Just sit here and smile? Oh, you guys are... There's gonna be a dark 3-week period. 3 to 6 month period. 3-week to 6 month period. Don't come watch those streams. I might just not stream. Why would you say that? It's gonna happen. I gotta be real. I gotta be real about it. Alright. So, how am I just gonna... I'm gonna go back to hidden. Because box was still a foldout. Why the hell was box a foldout? What the H did I come back to? Did you just miss all that? Oh God. I spoke mostly about you. Mostly. Okay. Alright, this is good. Now we're gonna do this. We're gonna do the dumb thing. We're gonna add the vertical inline. Vertical group. We're gonna add activity type, label width. We want 0. We want hide label. Like, can I just do this? Hide label? Sick. Alright, and then we want this, literally the same exact thing. So stupid. So I can't believe I'm doing this. So stupid. Favorite. activity. And this is going to be called inline. And ding ding ding. We're just gonna set it the same because if it's null, it's fine. All right. And this might be everything, right? Please be everything I need. Indeed, he started it. Let's hear it. I heard everything about me, and I took the poll. Wait, so that wasn't you that... Mike, you need to tell me, are you the one vote that put off-putting? Because if you're the only person that thinks it's off-putting, then that's 100% of people that, you know, aren't being memed, that are okay with it. Which is a statistic I can't ignore. Give the people what they want, right? Also, how do I speed up my compile speeds? Ugh. I know you're gonna say, you gotta like make the assembly groups or whatever. I forget what they're called, but I don't wanna do that. What was the poll? Kurt, scroll up, look at the poll. Or actually, I don't remember how to look at polls if you weren't here when they were made. So bad. Also, why are you crashing? Oh god, it's crashing. Please don't crash. Alright, you know what? I didn't do anything, so I can force it. Force quit. Excuse me. I did. I was hoping there would be 40 votes for endearing and my 1 for off-putting. Okay. Phew. Thank goodness. More please wins! Okay. Alright. I'll try to re-mic more. Thanks everyone for participating. Incredible. Yeah. So, we've been going for a good amount of time. I'm sweating. I'm sick. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if my voice is different. And if you're joining us for the first time and you like the way my voice is, I'm sorry that my voice is going to go back to normal in a subsequent stream. So I'm sorry to everyone. I'm just, I'm sorry. Sorry for existing. But thanks for being here. I sound the same? That's good. I feel horrible. Alright, this is exactly what we want. This is exactly what we want. We want the icon here. We want the activity here. I don't want this, but whatever. It's not hurting anyone. It doesn't throw any errors. I mean, this is stupid. The fact that there's 2. That's stupid. We only get sexy smoker Andrew, limited time only. Yeah, I sounded pretty awesome yesterday. My voice was extremely smoker-like. Let's see. Alright, we're doing good here. This looks like not much progress, and maybe it isn't. But it never would have happened if we weren't here today together. Basically having Muniz and Tuna tell me how to do it. Oh man. Frickin' let's do it. Shout out. Muniz. Oh, wait, I don't know how to spell it. 2 Z's. Boom. Freaking go follow Muniz because he's a goddamn saint. And this is partially thanks to him. Oh, hells yeah, that's you. Alright, so this is big. This is big. Now I can just, in a glance, I can just scroll and see if there's duplicates, see if it's like a nice mix. If the next thing is I'm gonna want to sort by a property within the scriptable object. That I know I could do. I could just reorder this list. It's fine. I'm not gonna do that today. But now I want to do that for items, and I want to do it for hotspots, so here we go. Yeah, I just lost my train of thought. Let's start with hotspots. Hotspots. Because it's going to be way simpler. It already has... No, it doesn't. Using Cyrenex.inspector. So what do I actually want to show? The icon? Not really. I don't know what they are based on the icon. And the icon I never use. What do I want? Your game needs identical twins named Bob and Rob who finish each other's sentences and own a penny arcade? That's adorable. That's the first wholesome, well, like fully thought out idea that I could just cut it out and move it into the game. That's the first time you haven't had murder or some kind of like kidnapping or I don't know. That's thank you, Mike Lombardo. Has something changed? Wait a minute. What are you doing? But it's actually a murder den where they shove bodies into the games and coin slots strip blood. Oh my god, I thought you changed. Thank God you didn't. I was about to say. There's a redeem for that. You play that, I know. Honestly, if I made a game of all of Mike Lombardo's ideas, not only would it go viral because it's ridiculous, it would do well, it'd be a meme game, it'd be like Choo Choo Charlie, you know? We should be making that game. Honestly, on Tuesdays, I should make this game. On Thursdays, I should make whatever Mike Lombardo says. I know it will do well. His ideas are gold. They're gold, I say. Ridiculous. Oh, wow, I'd love that. Choo Choo Charlie. Is that about bubblegum? It's definitely about bubblegum. Alright, what do I want to show off for hotspots? Like, what is a hotspot? What is a hotspot? A hotspot is a sprite, it's a location, it's an activity type. And yeah, I don't even set some of these. Guest hotspots. Okay. Alright, guest hotspots, I do put a sprite. So Alpine Grove, Alpine Meadow, Melissa's Diner. So let's show the name and the sprite. Let's do that. That sounds great. Let's show the name and the sprite. That'll make me feel good. Let's go to hotspots. So we have this. We want the name, hotspot name, and then the sprite. And this needs to be a preview field. And, excuse me, we want everything else to be hidden. This is the annoying thing. This is the thing I don't like about this. I have to literally add this freaking thing to everything. Don't want the description. Maybe I should add it like here. What do you guys like this way of adding tags? No, I don't like that. Because if there's multiples in it, it'll look stupid. I don't like it. Oh god. I'm like exhausted from your last idea. What if a touring basketball team's bus breaks down outside the inn and they challenge you and your inn guests to a quick game to 21? But whoever loses gets locked in the pit. Won't give them any. If they win, they take you into their rooms. I'm exhausted. I can't take it anymore. Thank you. And actually, you've said that idea already. I know you have. You've given the idea of what happens if a bus breaks down outside your inn, and you've done that before. So you gotta be careful. Gotta be careful, you're, I think you need a spoonful of coconut oil in the morning, if you know what I mean. Nick the Nini. What up? But if you win, they have to forfeit their bus and spend the rest of the game homeless on your property. Jesus. Why? Why would anyone play for that? So what was the secret? The magic sauce was this. And then a vertical group. So this is now called hotspot. And we need a duplicate, which is freaking stupid. Oh my god, it's so stupid. Without this nonsense. And this is going to be the inline. And then, oh my god, it's so stupid. I'm sorry you have to watch me code this stupid thing. What did I call it? Favorite hotspot. Favorite hotspot inline. Devious Mantis, thank you for the follow. How are you? Good morning to you. Or good morning from me, and good whatever part of the day it is for you, to you. Coconut oil? Please proceed with the explanation. That was when coconut oil was all the rage like 10 years ago. I remember when it first came out, and it got popular in the US. It was said to be a spoonful of the morning would help with Alzheimer's. That's what I was saying. Mike Lombardo needs it. I really need to stop with the Alzheimer's jokes. It's not funny. It's in my genes. My grandfather had it bad. We'll see if I get it. Fingers crossed. It's not funny. So I'm not going to joke about it anymore. We're done here. Also, why isn't it auto-completing these? Something's upset. What Alzheimer's jokes? I am not repeating them, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to watch the VOD. But yeah, they did say that a spoonful... It was the dumbest joke for me to make. I made, like, the smallest... Like, no one would have gotten it. Yeah, some article... Some quote-unquote article said a spoonful of coconut oil would help symptoms. I guess I forgot the method. I get the joke. Oh god. Wait, why am I hitting play? I don't want to hit play. I want to open up my GUI editor. Oh, actually, maybe... Yeah, I want to show off something that I did work on yesterday. You know, I made this pond level. I fixed up this picnic area. This picnic area is much nicer. It's got a little fence. Got some hidden collectibles. I can't wait to remake these buildings. These are all temp. Did you know that these are temporary buildings and I intend to make them better? Whew. Fun fact. Look like shiz. I'm devious, it's in my name, that's true. I expect nothing less. Okay, so I started decorating the pond a little bit. How does it look? Ooh, and there's a snake. There's a snake in there. So this is, I was starting to play with the idea that, you know, you have this camera and you want to photograph things around you, part of like collecting stuff for the visitor center, and this starter camera is not long enough to reach this snake, so you need to upgrade this freaking camera so you can get a picture of this snake. That's called game progression. Did you know that a game needs some kind of progression to be fun? Not always, but... So, I kept talking about that in theory. Yeah, I'll have updated cameras and there'll be a reason for it. Sure. That is my first implementation of why you need an updated camera. I'll model you a building. Can you, Kurt? Can you make something cute? Can you make cute buildings? Make sure to upgrade the camera lens and keep the same crappy camera. Photographers will appreciate you. Yeah. So the model is it's gonna stay the same, but this lens is just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger until you're like expert bird photographer, and it's like 4 feet long, and it has a tripod at the end because you can't hold it up yourself. I have a bird watching friend who I love seeing his photos. He's an incredible bird photographer. And the lenses he sends me that he wants and loves, they're just insane. $10,000 lenses. Right, so I actually didn't want to hit play, but a little show off. Also, if anyone is just joining us and doesn't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a game called Alpine Lake. Feel free to give it a wish list. Working on it for a few years now, and we're very, very, very close to an open alpha test. I added a redeem. You can now join the alpha by a measly 500 channel points. It is so measly. Curdy Bear just redeemed. Add me to the alpha. Look at that. Curdy Bear wants to join the alpha. Let's add ya. I need action. Curdy Bear. No, stop hitting play. What am I doing? I want to open up my stupid GUI that I've been working on. Lombardo, add me to the alpha. Okay. I'm gonna do these ads later because I don't want to keep showing everyone's names. I'll add you. This is only like 2 people. Okay. So, nope. Right, I didn't set it. Why didn't it set? That's dumb. Sync. Favorite hotspot inline. Favorite hotspot? No, why? Favorite hotspot. This is for syncing. I need to remember to do this. Mike's on the wait list to get into the wait list. Mike's gonna be waiting forever. I have no clue who you are, but you seem fun. I don't take compliments well. Please take that back. I clam up. I get uncomfortable. I sweat. Yeah, why is this not setting? Guys, what am I missing here? Did I not hit save? Did I not go back? Angie, you look beautiful today. Thank you. He really doesn't. He really doesn't. He's going to wet himself. Damn. I'm already wetting myself from being sick and sweating so much. Oof. Come on. It should work. Is it just a matter of updating? Oh, maybe I just need to reload. Boom, there it is. Just need to resync. There we go. We got the pond, we got the town square. Pond. Everyone wants to go to the pond. Alright, so let's do a little, let's set something and then see if we can work on the updating, right? This guy is no fun at all. He's like anti-fun. That makes him feel better. Yes. Thank you. Actually, no, that hurts my feelings also. Just don't talk about me. Everything hurts my feelings. Oh, I get what you're doing, Mike Lombardo. You're giving me compliments to make me feel bad. See, those compliments didn't bother me. Let's figure out what compliments bother me and what don't. So you said I have a lovely smile and what lovely sweat I have. Oh, it's because I know you're being sarcastic. That makes me feel better. But Devious Mantis, maybe I felt a hint of sincerity in your compliment, and that made me feel uncomfortable. And Mike Lombardo knows I have an ugly smile, and he knows my sweat isn't lovely. So, your nose bridge is jeez, that's just brutal. Ouch! Oh, that was great. Thank you for that. Alright, I want these to sync when I say. Right? That was a snipe. What is the activity type? Okay, I want when these set, I want these to update. So what I want on validate? Is that on validate? You seem to enjoy getting your FIT award at Radio City. Why do you keep saying I got an award at FIT Radio City? I did not get an award at FIT Radio City. You made me. You really did make me laugh. That was funny. I mean, when you're chatting in someone's stream, that's the goal, to make the streamer giggle. That is like ultimate. You can like stop watching after that. Completed. Next. You should put the award icon at the end of the trailer. The award that I got at Radio City, or Devious Mantis' award for making me laugh. Because there's awards everywhere, apparently. I wait until I look at least 3 laughs before I leave. That's fact. Yeah, one could be a fluke. I could just be polite because you're new here. So I laugh at your jokes, make you stick around. 2 is like, all right, maybe I'm still trying to be nice. Maybe not. 3, you must be a funny guy. Radio City Award. I did not get an award. I was there. I don't know what you're talking about, Nick. Alright, I'm just floating around the camera. For no reason, aimlessly. So, okay, let's actually also... I need a way to sync these back to the scriptable object. Or back to the NPC. I just realized something here. I have this table view, but don't I actually want to just do inline? No, because inline is vertical. I want it to be horizontal like a spreadsheet. I feel like I wanted to see all the attributes next to each other vertically. That's better, right? Can you tell me if I'm doing a dumb thing? I think this is right. I think this is okay. Yeah, we're gonna keep going with this because I have no choice. Oh no, and I just realized something. Inventory item does not inherit from Odin Inspector, and if it does, it will completely annihilate what I do have. I only work with visual aids for those things I'd need to see. Wait, why is that a sex-based term that it's blocking? Are you referring to the table list view versus the inline scriptable object view? Yeah. I mean, you have a way to filter from both ends. This way, there's pros and cons. There's pros and cons. I'm just gonna keep going with it because I'm pot committed. I'm pot committed. I've put too much time in this. Alright, what was the problem? Yeah, I want to sync this, and I need to set it when I hit the sync button. So, also the word sync here is not good. Because I don't know if it's pulling or sending, so I need to be clear. I reopened this window for the first time in a long time, and I was like, wait, what does sync mean? Am I pulling or grabbing? Reload is grab, sync is send, so just be clear with your freaking names. Let's call this grab data. Reload data from NPCs. And then sync item changes, we want to what do we want to call it? Send item set all changes to NPCs. That's 2 verbose, I don't know. Just be clear with your names. All program is just shivered. Yeah, I know. Should I just do a letter? Like R and S. Set all changes to NPCs. That's the worst English I've ever read. And then instead of set, it'll be sync. Or instead of sync, it'll be set. Please? Oh, it doesn't like it because that. And alright, so what else do I need to do? I need to, yeah. So what is it? Is it on validate? Is that what I need to fix? Like, or do I need a callback? Excuse me. Do I need a callback for onset? Like, I think it's on validate. On valid. I mean, just name all my variables var1 and var2. Oh, it makes me sick. It makes me sick. I guess I just want to like no, but here's the thing. I can't reload it because it hasn't been set. So if I reload it on validate, it's gonna remove it. So it's almost like I need to set it every time I change something. And like the set all changes to NPCs button just shouldn't be a thing. Should I do that? No, I shouldn't, because if this is ever like bugged out and all the values are zeroed, that would be disastrous. Just make the reload function set it if it's not currently set. Oh, good idea. So I can have a soft sync. Oh, okay, yeah. Soft sync. Sync item. So we want public void soft sync items. Wait, I don't even want, just want to do it all. And the soft sync, so yeah. We'll do a soft set, because the soft set will not send it back to the scriptable object. It'll just do it in the GUI. You are helping, thank you. As long as for every compliment, insult comes with a corresponding helpful chat, we're golden. And the soft set will only do, yeah, soft set, soft sync items. Wait, why is this virtual? Oh, because of my other thing. I actually overrode it, but I don't need that anymore. Public void soft set. So all I want to do here is if, yeah, so inline needs to equal Bave activity. And then fave hotspot needs inline needs to equal fave hotspot. Perfect. Woo! Making progress. Now when I set those, they'll update, but they won't send back to the... Ooh, you know what I also want to do? I want the whole row to highlight red when there's a change, when it's not the same. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, yes. That feels good on my soul. Look at that. All right. That's good. That's good stuff right here. Oh, I can feel the game getting easier to make as we continue. There was a part of me last night that didn't feel so good, and I was like, oh, maybe in the morning I'll just put like I'll put a little blurb that says, no talking today, just work. I can't do that. I can't not talk. Devious, you earned your spot in the community the second you want it to be. We are an open place. Free for all. Are you a game dev as well? You seem to know programming. Please introduce yourself. Tell us your deal. What's your deal? There's been a lot of streamers coming through here. Are you a streamer? Love my fellow streamers. It's not easy to do this for the first time, but once you do it for the first time, you realize how fun it is, and then it's easy. Alright, so this is perfect now. I think this is perfect, right? It's exactly how I want it set up. So now what I need to do is... the setter. Yeah. Andrew's addicted to the fame. If having 161 followers is famous, then you got me. No, I love the fact that I can get on here, do work, albeit very slowly. And, you know, I'll make a mistake or I'll have a question and I don't have to Google it. You fine folks will help me out. And then it's good to just be social, you know, this is good. We're social creatures. We need to be social. And that's totally fine if you like to watch but not chat, but yeah. It's good, huh? We're friendly here. Say hi. Why not? There's no harm in it. I remember the first time I ever chatted in a stream, I was so embarrassed. I was like, I can't believe I'm writing text to someone streaming themselves. How weird. And then I said hi one day. And they said hi back. And I'm like, what? They could talk to you? And it's like, oh, this is just people hanging out with people. It's really not a big deal. Andrew loves to watch and not participate sometimes. Yeah, I watch these people's streams all the time and not participate. That's fine. But I also chat a lot. If anyone sees... If I'm watching you, you usually know. I say hi every time. There's no point not to. What if I like to chat but not watch? I've seen people, they add the icon like not listening, watching only, and then they'll chat. I'm like, how do you even hear what they're saying? Are you just chatting and then not even expecting responses? I'm addicted to the high I get from all you guys. You're addicted to the high you get from drinks and alcohol. Be careful. You can do this, but it's kind of silly. Yeah, it is kind of silly. What was I just doing? So this is setting probably, right? Am I doing this right? It's setting the favorite activity to the favorite activity. It's setting the favorite hotspot to the favorite hotspot. Good, here we're good. Yeah, it is kind of sad. I don't know why you do that. I mean, not all streams are chatting, you know? I've seen some streams like, who is it? Captain Commerce? Doing 3D prints with music? Yeah, sure, mute the music, you're watching only. But then, like, are people chatting on those streams? I don't think people are chatting. Whatever, that's fine. There's room in this world for all kinds of streams. I need more animal streams in my life. Sometimes I've seen Corey. She'll raid the some marine life. I don't know, some marine life zoo or something, and it's just like footage of otters. It's amazing. I love it. I need to get this right. She's Corey Bear. There it is. Boom. We like to raid Corey because she's on at this time. It's really hard to find people who are on at the same time as me, unless you just click on someone random. Animal streams, you say? I hear that some streamers are even streaming creating animal games. Crazy folk. Gamey. 3D printer stream is genius. Yeah, I think Captain Commerce does it. Mike Lombardo, I know he just got a 3D printer. Mike, get that webcam hooked up. Get that webcam hooked up. All right, so now we want to add items. We want items to be... This is going to be rough. People just watch the printer? Yeah. So if you had to describe the game in 30 words or less, how would I do it? Well, I'd go to... Oh my god, my green screen is going nuts. I'd go to my Steam page, and I'd read my short description. Let's read it together. Once it loads. Kick back in the fresh mountain air and craft your ideal haven on the shores of Alpine... I'm doing syllables. Alpine Lake. Build and decorate your inn to bring joy and prosperity to the... And I'd stop right there, because that's 30 words. I'm out of words. It's an innkeeper life sim game. That is how I would describe it. The elevator pitch is, if you like Stardew Valley and you like The Sims, you're gonna love Alpine Lake. If I had given you 50 words, it would have been perfect. It's exactly 50 words. Yeah, I need 50 words. Or I could take back... There's a lot of flourish in there. I could probably reduce. I actually hate that. Hey, ChatGPT, summarize this in 30 words. That's how I describe my game. Hey, ChatGPT, summarize this text in 30 words. Actually, yeah, I haven't used AI a lot. I know there's a lot of controversy. I feel like I just use it in a delicate way. I use it to spark inspiration and ideas, but I never straight up copy and paste it. Not often. Some dialogue I've straight up copy and pasted. But that's just how it goes sometimes. Alright, so the consumable item, this is going to be a problem. I'll show you why. So there's layers of difficulty here. First of all, consumable item is inheriting from base item. Base item is basically nothing. Inventory item is a... Oh, wait, I am using Cyrenex Open Inspector. Okay. But look at all these freaking attributes. Look at them all. I want to add the hide inline. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. So we want to add this to every single freaking thing. You. Sucks. Well, I'm off to work I go. Be back if you're still streaming later. Devious, thanks for hanging. I'll leave your stream on though. Thank you for the lurk. ChatGPT is great to bounce ideas off of. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's good for spurring up random creativity. If you have writer's block, it's pretty good actually. Alright, so you. Oh god, why did that happen? Tatiris, thank you for the follow. How are ya? Welcome the heck in. Oh no, this is the one thing we want, the sprite. And maybe the item name. Item name and item ID? Yeah, we'll keep both for now. Oh, this is breaking my heart having to add these to every single one. And I'm realizing that if I ever want to make an inline version of the item, it's not going to be pretty. Oh wait, this is return equipable. Is that private? Oh, this is a function. What am I doing? This is a function. Hey. Did we do it? We hit the end of this album? New album. Oh, it just didn't know if I was watching anymore. Alright, we're gonna hop to 8. We're gonna hop to Final Fantasy 8. Yeah, everyone hates Final Fantasy 8. But I played it at a pivotal moment in my brain development, so I love Final Fantasy. Damn, 18 people. I remember when I saw you, it was 1 viewer. Now that you don't got verify users, there's now 18. You do realize that I turned it off only for you. You need to know this. You didn't know this before, but now you do. I turned it off. For you, specifically. I got a message on Discord saying, Good Vibes is trying to chat and you are a pretentious jerk with your verification requirements. And I said, yeah, well, I need that. I'm self-modded. I can't have people coming in and trying to promote purchasing followers like up above. And then, I said, you know what? Fine. I want Good Vibes to be able to chat. And I want to chat with Good Vibes. So I did it. Yeah, this is only for you. Oh my god. Am I still adding these? Am I still adding these? When will it end? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This can't be real. This can't be real. I can't still be doing this. It's been like 3 days. How do I have this many variables in a freaking script anyway? This is egregious. I hope this glitches my Unity and just unsets everything. Why would I want that? Who am I? Okay, these are private. That's it, we did it. Okay, that was step 1. Step 2, add it here. Nurk, did you say something bad to Booyah? How rudy rude. I know, he's very mean to me on Discord. Very mean. But on stream, he's very nice. I don't know what the deal is. Wink. Wink. Oh, this is annoying. Alright, so we're past the 6-month point in our relationship. Oh my god. Amazing callback. What a freaking callback. Woo! I love me a good callback. Alright, so I need one of these. One of these. One of these. This is going to be called Fave Drink. Fave Snacky. Fave Meal. Then we need a dupe. A public consumable item. Favorite drink. Then you are going to be inline. 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 And this is getting confusing. Where am I? You're a chunk. You're a chunk. Favorite snacky. That's what's up. That is what's up. I like that. I love hitting that point in a relationship and it being okay. Okay, I researched 3D printer streams. This is wild. 1,000 people watching a printer. It's crazy. Are you gonna do it? Get up in there. Stream that printer. I don't actually know why some printers get better viewers than others. That is a mystery. Also, what the hell is with my green screen settings? This is horrible. It's making me uncomfortable. Let me try and fix it for you guys. Is this me? That's me. Properties. Nope, cancel. Filters. Chroma key. Ah! It's a little better. That's better, right? Nope. It's wiggly. Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, too much color spill. We're almost there. Did we do it? I mean, I got a green outline. That's stupid. I don't like that. Let's keep going. Gotta be very gentle. Alright, this is better. Are you lighting the screen separately? Have you ever used a green screen before? You think I have more than one light? You're crazy. But I am bouncing the light off my wall instead of having it directly on the green screen, so it does get more washed out. Yo, I know how to light. That's literally my day job. But thank you for the input, I appreciate it. Done. This is the best we're gonna do. Get NVIDIA background removal? It's probably smarter. But I'm on a Mac. I have an M2. No, M1 Pro? Yeah, I have the M1 Pro chip, so I can't use any of those fancy NVIDIA tools. Or is that not specific to the NVIDIA GPU? You tell me. Also, ooh, it's 822. LMAO, unsubscribe, unfollow, unfounder. Unfounder. I don't want to be a founder anymore. This guy sucks. Alright, this is annoying. So we don't need to set, that's fine. And then, yeah, here we need to... Babe, snack. Babe, drink. Okay, why doesn't it do it? It used to do it. All right, who thinks I got it right in one go? Raise your hand. Raise them high. No mistakes, no whammies. Oh. Gross. I guess I missed some things. But, pretty close, pretty close, pretty close. Pretty close. So what did we miss? We missed the components. No, I didn't. Why? Shit. Oh, no. Consumable stats. Oh, I missed everything in here. Using. And then I don't love this. ID and target. Why does it show me that? I don't, well, I guess it's fine. It's still too much. I don't need the ID and the item name, which is better. Which is better to show. Well, this is actually read-only. This needs to be read-only. No. Yeah, I never want to accidentally change this. I just want to make the label. Can we do that again? Where are my boys at? We need help. We want to make this label. I know there was a way. We almost had it last time. It's just the expression thing was messed up. Tuna, you wanted me to check to see if you were crazy. This might be the time. Can I scroll up to see that? Can I grab that? Is it too late? Oh, it's long gone. Dang it. Dang it. So what else don't I want? I don't want both of these. ID and target. Oh, wait. Yeah. So let's get you out of here. And I'll just keep the name. I'll keep it. That's fine. At least this will get rid of the header and the ID name. Can anyone teach me Adobe? Adobe what? Premiere? Photoshop? Illustrator? InDesign? Adobe Create? Adobe Express? Ah, you're back! You did it! Adobe Acrobat Reader? I'll teach you how to use Acrobat Reader. Double click on a PDF. Done. Maybe some extra parentheses. I'll just add parentheses everywhere. It's better. It's still a lot. Oh, I don't want the set ID button either. Get that shiz out of here. Let me paste what you just gave me in so I don't forget. And I want to remove the set ID button. There's more than one? Yeah, Adobe is the company. What software do you want to learn? I'm assuming Premiere. You got a nice shout out from that clip you sent. Nick the Nini. So if you didn't know, Nick the Nini, he edits. He edits for comedians for their social medias. Because comedians, they have no idea how to make videos. And Nick the Nini edits for them and adds the subtitles and animates them and does all this fun stuff. And I'm assuming you want to learn Premiere. Am I correct in that assumption? Okay, so now that's perfect. This is very hard to read. I need a better separation of, like, line. Maybe I don't need the name. Maybe the icon will be good enough, because item icons should be super freaking clear, and I should know. And former strippers. Yes, and he also edits for former strippers, which we do not talk about or show here on this stream. What's JavaScript? This ain't no JavaScript. Alright, let's see if we can get the label thing working so I can remove the name. And that'll be fantastic. Oof, I feel like I'm in that cave searching for this music is from the cave. It's from many caves, but I'm pretty sure it's to the Minotaur summon. If anyone is familiar with Final Fantasy VIII and can remember, I'm pretty sure this is the music when you're in the maze cave, the maze ruins, where they don't really give you a map, but you know it's not updated. You need to make your way to the Minotaurs. Nerf, mine gets added to the credits. All right, I. What How do you want to be described? You want to be Nurkmine? You want to be You want to be Michael? You want to be anything? Just write what you want. N3A. Do you want me to put in parentheses Nurkmine? You can have many characters. There's no character limit. Oh, there's a character limit. He's good. Beautiful. You're in. Honestly, I would have added you to the credits just for that sick callback from earlier. Frickin' sick. Sometimes, so I make a lot of terrible jokes. Rapid fire in real life, and mostly just to my wife because that's who I'm with 95% of the time. And she just can't freaking take it anymore. I'm like, I can't stop myself. It's like word vomit, stream of consciousness. I don't think about it before it comes out of my mouth. It just says. And my favorite thing to do is to call back from a very stupid thing from earlier in the conversation, earlier in the day. Sometimes I'll do a callback from like a week before and she'll have no idea what I'm talking about. And I'll be like, that was genius, right? And she'll look at me like, no, that was not genius. You're crazy and stupid. But I know she doesn't totally mean that. I know she thinks it's amazing, right? She thinks it's amazing, right? She just can't encourage it because I'll go crazy. I'll say it too much. Of course, yes. All right, let's get those labels working properly. So, excuse me. Oh, so it's possible I just want to do it here. So I want the label in here, in inventory item, to be the name. And it will always have one because it won't exist if it didn't have a name. So this is perfect. Well, I should have done this before in the activity type. I think you might have said to do that, and I ignored it because I'm like, I don't want to add this in too many places, but we're in the mindset of adding it literally everywhere, so I'm game. So the icon, I want the label to be... Is that here? Label. Text is. And I think I can just do the at item name? I think I could just do that. It's public, so even if it's nothing, it'll be nothing. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Hells to the frickin' yes. And then, I don't have to show this anymore, and I'll do the same in activity, and I'll do the same in hotspot, and this menu will look amazing and I'll never open it again. I feel like this isn't so much as a make a menu thing, it's more learn Odin Inspector. Alright, so we don't need this anymore. And we want the same thing here in activity type. Oh, that's annoying because the name of the activity type is really long. Duct Tape DevOps, how's it going? Welcome in. First time chatting. How are you? We were just, I know you're big into the AI. We were just talking about AI a little bit. We had some help from ChatGPT helping us out. Some Odin Inspector and Unity. How are you? Oh man, you have the best emotes. I freaking love. It's so cute. Have you seen GitHub rage against the pixel? I haven't. What is it? Oh yes, I have seen this. You sent it to me when I was on your stream. You did send this to me. But, you know, I'm a loser and I can't really read GitHub like this. It's very confusing. It needs to be on an asset page with a description. If it's on a GitHub, it's like too programmer speak. The day's going good. I'm a little sick, so bear with me, but we're making good progress anyway. We're working on a nice editor GUI so we can see all of this data in as concise window as possible. Here's my ooh. What'd we do? What'd we do? Oh, because item name's not a thing. We just want it to be name. Does that work? I want it to be name, but I don't want the full name. I just want part of the name because the full name's too long. Yeah, what the hell is that? Do I have a limit on the width? Is that going to be enough? You're actually fixing his GitHub permissions now. Oh yeah, I had the sick arts that said it looked like a board game cover. Oh yeah. Yes, you did say that. I do remember you saying that. That was a couple of weeks ago. That's a good memory. Probably just you saw the label, you saw the art, and just it's brought back the same memory. Okay, almost there. Let's go 160. This is gonna be great. These need to be bigger too. Love the emotes. Love them. Oh, too big. Too big. Oh, God. Actually, it needs to be that big. So I need to make this column bigger. Ooh, I wonder if... Is there a way to collapse these? That would be nice. I wonder if there's a way to collapse these. Did you design the emotes? They look great. Yeah, how'd you get those emotes? They look awesome. So we don't need this anymore. Sorry, Tuna. No, I'll leave it there. Because I like remnants of your code in my code. I just like to know you helped. Tuna special. I have commented versions of your code all over this game. They're ChatGPT and Dolly. Oh, it's the same thing. I accidentally bought a year's worth of Midjourney, and I'm very annoyed by it. I thought I was buying a month, and then they tricked me, and they're like, well, here's a year. Thanks for all of the money you didn't want to spend. Great. I know. Because you click on the, okay, I want this monthly price. And then I didn't think, and I just hit checkout, and then it was like, oh, but you have to buy annually. No, what? Use replicate.com? Is that like cheap, good enough? Until you get your site up. Oh, snap! Did you just drop a bomb? Did you just, was this it? Was this the news? Did you just drop it here? What is it called when you drop news? I know there's a good word for it. Per second billing for Hugging Face models. What is Hugging Face? All I know is Midjourney and Dolly. And Adobe's crap. Firefly. Adobe's is crap. Oh my god. If you're new to Replicate, you can try us out for free, but eventually you need to enter a credit card. News bomb. Is that what it is? A news drop. Is that what it is? A release announcement? There's a more elite Gen Z way to say it. I drop it on my channel all the time. No one's there to hear it. I see you got viewers. Dog with glasses on. This game have fishing? Hells yeah, it's got fishing. Which reminds me, I need to add fishing to the pond. Maybe I'll take a quick break. Okay, it's 8:40. We don't have too much time left. So I'm going to take a quick break. I'm going to add fishing to the pond. Instant wish list. Ooh, that's nice. I didn't check my wish list today. Let's check. I gotta say, I don't know what's going on with Steam, but I got that big spike a couple of weeks ago, and my resting average is higher now. Like, Steam just pushes it more because of the spike, which is nice. I thought, like, if I don't keep the party going, then I'll be penalized, but it seems like the influx causes them to show it to more people over time. So I definitely have a higher resting average. We're gonna make it to 7,000 eventually. It's gonna take a bit, but we'll get there. Yeah, we got a good amount today, or last night. Also, this was crazy. Someone tagged me on Twitter. This person, let's find them. Caffeinated Chaos. Yeah. Caffeinated Chaos tagged me on Twitter, and they were like, "Oh, look, I posted a video." And I'm like, "Did you add me? What? Why?"
chill haven on the shores of a stunning lake in Alpine Lake.
What?
In this cozy management life sim, you'll
That's
become
this.
the owner of an inn, and it's up to you to build and decorate your inn to attract guests and bring a little joy to their lives. There's a whole range of building functionality to explore, and you can design your inn from the ground up, so you're in control of the layout and the style. You'll need to take care of your guests, providing them with a cozy haven, and unraveling each one's story throughout their stay. And there's a whole world for you to explore with some lively neighbours for you to befriend. Alpine Lake looks set to bring a management spin on the much-loved life sim genre and is perfect for the cozy gamer. Uncover and upcycle lots.
What? I was blown away by that. That's the first time it's ever happened. I never talked to this person. I never reached out. And she described the game. I said this on Twitter. She described the game better than I can. Like, and I know that's a thing. That's like, sometimes you're just too close to your own game, and when someone looks at it, they know exactly what it is and they can describe it. Like the way I know she also pre-wrote her VO, but just the words she used and the sentence flow and everything she said, I was just like, oh, that's what I'm making. Oh yeah. How are you rendering the water? I have a custom shader that started from a pack, and then I noodled it a little bit. All right, yeah, we're gonna close this. Let's move on to adding fishing. So this shader, let's open up the pond scene. Let's see. Let's fly to the pond. This shader is just a big node graph in the URP, and it's 90% from an asset pack that I downloaded that had this shader in it. And I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool. It was the FAE, what is it called? Fantasy Adventure. Yeah, Fantasy Adventure pack. Fantasy Adventure Environment. It's a really nice pack, and they had this nice water shader, and I played with it a little just to add some extra stuff that I need and take out some stuff I did not need, because it had some stuff I did not need. Discard. But yeah. Do I have? Oh, sorry. Let me go up. Do you have an itch demo? No. This is gonna go to Steam. This cannot play in a browser. Nice. Yes. It's huge when someone organically finds your product. Yeah. That was big. I feel pretty validated, and I appreciate it. Dog with glasses on is a sick AI Unity dev, by the way. I did not know that. Dog with glasses on. Are you a streamer as well? Also, guys, Duct Tape is a streamer. Go check him out. He does crazy stuff with AI on his stream. Cinti? No, it's not Cinti. It's not Cinti. I have one Cinti pack in here. I don't like it that much because I don't like the low poly look. So these rocks are the Cinti pack, and they, I'm going for like a soft, gentle vibe, and the Cinti stuff is hard edged, low poly, like crisp, and I don't like that. So these are all placeholder. I'm gonna have to replace these rocks or bevel the edges. I don't know. I'll have to do something. Uh-oh. Okay. Fantasy something pack and thoughts. Yeah. I mean, 90% of the packs out there are Cinti. Don't get me wrong. Cinti packs are dope. Cinti pack, if you are making a game and you're just starting out, if you don't buy a Cinti pack to get you going, like, I don't know, just games are more fun when they look good. I mean, if you have a fun game with just cubes, then you have something going, but just previewing models and just get a Cinti. In other Cinti news, I love that they are giving away a $30 coupon right now. Okay, BitGamey is he's the asset store aficionado. He's got all the stuff. He knows all the things. Go to BitGamey's Discord. Follow him on Twitch. Follow him on Twitter. You will be doing yourself a favor. You'll be getting all the good stuff that comes out You'll be alerted to all the sales when worthy assets are on sale. Big Gamey, feel free to like drop your Discord link. People can check it out. But definitely follow Big Gamey. Yeah, follow Big Gamey. You have so many Cindy packs. Yeah, I have a few, and I usually grab them when they're free, or I've gotten them in humble bundles. But yeah, so let's add fishing to this. I don't like the way my fishing system is right now. What I have to do to make something fishable is I need to add a collider. But what I really want to do is just anything that has water. I want to just say fishable, but it's the problem when I want to make a giant square. When I want to make a giant square and there's like this, you know, there's water under here. The way my physics system is just it doesn't play nice with having a generic system. Streaming pitch practice raid train. Wait, what? I'll be streaming on Thursday. Too many chords, but always happy to give a Twitch follow. Oh yeah, I have so many Discord channels. Thursday I'll be here, same time as usual. I don't know what a pitch practice raid train is though. Should I know what that is? Did you make that up? What's this? Wait, I found a hole. I found a hole. Does this need to be square? I don't think so. Oh, that's kind of fun. Oh, I can't wait to... Wait a minute. Should I have a quest that makes the pond fill back up? Should this be empty and then you fill the pond back up and then fish come back? Oh my god. Hells yeah, that should be a thing. Raid train.tv. Scheduled a raid train. Have a ton of slots midday. No one in the dev community knows what it is. The music, mostly synth community, does it regularly. 1 hour set by a streamer, then they raid to the next person. That sounds interesting. Let me check that out. I'm gonna check that out off stream. What's pitch practice? Join the train. Think of it as a conference main stage. This looks cool. I'm gonna check it out off stream. Please, this looks I don't know how to sign up though. Or is this just you're hosting a raid train? Oh, Thursday. Oh, I see now. So we got 6 a.m. Is this my time zone? What time zone is this? 7, 8, 9. So it looks like all the slots are taken. Or do you just have them all? Just hit you up? Okay. You built. Oh, this is your thing? You made this thing? That's cool. If it's between the hours of... If it's 7 a.m. or 8 a.m., I'm in. Yeah, I can only do 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. 6 a.m. is a little too early for me to start, but... Alright, I want to add fishing. Let's add fishing in our last few minutes. So, it's easy. It's so easy. Even a caveman can do it. I just need to grab the... fishing area. Fishing spot. The fact that this isn't a prefab is inexcusable. Wait, it's a rigid body with a box collider under it? Why the hell did I do that? Also, I can't see the box glider. Or unless it's gigantic, isn't it? Let's just make it. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. So yeah, what I have to do is like just form this to my water, which is it's horrible because these rocks make really irregular shapes. This is dumb, right? Yeah, I'm dumb. Oh, but I got this stupid island here. Oh, that's so annoying. I need to rewrite this to be better. This is actually, this situation right here is telling me, you know what, this needs to be rewritten immediately. This is a terrible way to do fishing. So basically, yeah, if I run up to here and I throw the fishing rod in there, it'll work, but it'll only work in these two spots right now. Let's test it. And then we'll call it. Oh God, what's happening? No Redondo Beach call. Get out of here. I think I need to answer that. I'm not going to, though. Call them back. Let's take the bike over there. Do I have a fishing rod? I do. So let's do it. Let's fish. Where is it? Where's my fishing mini game? Did I turn off the mini games? Fishing mini game. Where is it? Oh, active. It's not active. Oh, no. That's... Seriously, where's the fishing minigame? Did I turn off that camera? Minigame camera. It's unhidden. Where is it? Hey, here it is. It's here. It's supposed to be an overlay. I don't know why it's not working. And this stupid snake is throwing all these audio manager warnings. Get out of here. Alright, you know what? We'll fix it later, but let me go to another area that I know works. Let's hope it's the area and not fishing entirely. So the fact that I don't see it here, it's not hiding, is a problem. If I go here, it's visible. That's good. If I start the game, it goes away, obviously, because we don't see it. I can fish right here, so. This is always where I go to fish, as a debug spot. Come on, work. This is in the trailer. I just run here and I fish, and fishing is broken. Great. Well, now I know what I'm doing next time. Oh, wait. Oh, I didn't wait long enough. I'm an idiot. I forgot how my home minigame works. I'm supposed to wait until I get an exclamation mark. There we go. There's fishing. I need a splash. That needs to go faster. So here's the mini game. What you have to do is you got to line up the lure with the fish, and then it pops off. However much the overlap is, it removes some health, and then bam, caught our fish. But all the notifications of what kind of fish you caught are gone, and yeah, everything's kind of slow. Yeah, I'm not sure how much I love the idea. I think I like it. You know, it's quick. It takes some skill. There's a bonus for like getting it perfect. So excellent. So right in the center you get an excellent. And if you get 2 excellents, it's like a perfect catch, and then you get more fishing experience. And then when the day ends, I'll fast forward to the end of the day. So there's like experience you get in different things. At the end of the day, you see fishing experience. So you get more experience when you get a perfect catch. Yeah. So that's the fishing mechanic. Okay, so it's not broken. I just didn't wait long enough. I forgot how my own minigame works. It's been a while. And with that, we're gonna call it. And we need to raid someone. Where should we go? I'm gonna go to Pumpkin Days. Boom. Pumpkin Days. They have a cozy game, life sim farming game out on Steam, and we're gonna see what they're working on right now. All right, y'all. Appreciate everything for today. Thanks for making me laugh. Thanks for bearing with me while I'm sick. My name is Andrew. If you don't really know me, if you're just joining, thanks for stopping in for this short amount of time. And yeah, I'll see you guys Thursday. Duct tape, let's talk offline and see what that raid thing is. Maybe I'll join. Big Gamey, thanks for hanging out. Everybody, thanks for hanging out. And Mike Lombardo, thanks for letting me absolutely ream you every single day verbally and be okay with it. Raid messages, hi. Just say hi. Canny, joining just to see you go. Thanks for that. Thanks for joining. Thank you. Have a nice day. You have a nice day as well. Everyone, have a nice day. Let's go see what Pumpkin Days is doing. See you guys next time. See you guys Thursday.
Yeah, like AI itself is not the devil, like the use of AI is. Yeah, so it depends on the context.